everybody, we're here at the Callaghan Lodge. We're going to be staying at Journeyman, which is just a snowmobile or a skin way up. It's about 12K up. So excited, never been here before. We just put all of our luggage in these back things and then we're going to ride the sleds up and then we're going to be at the zone. So follow along. All right, so now we've made it up to the lodge after the little snowmobile inn, and this is the Journeyman Lodge. It's just nestled here in the middle of this Callaghan Valley, and we are transitioning into our uphill mode of transportation, which is ski touring or slopeboarding behind me. How much did it snow last night?
I don't know.
12 feet in Colorado, which means 1 foot.
15 centimeters or more. I think more.
No, like at least 20.
At least 30.
At least.
$29.99, baby.
Actually, best like, because this is our first time going out in the backcountry together.
That's
so I'm just
true.
wondering, how do you feel right now about Marie, and like, how do you feel about me?
I'm feeling so safe because you don't stop on the bridges. Like I cannot feel safer. And then I feel like Marie has tons of experience with Avi gear and all this kind of stuff. So
she's very tech savvy.
Man,
the Avi
only
gear.
like scary chain loop, that's me, I guess. So.
Did you forget something before we got here?
No. Just one little.
All set. All
all
now.
set, man.
Yeah.
Not sketched out.
You did remember your hat though.
Yeah. Always focus
Priorities.
But your hat is so great.
Your hat is so great.
Can leave the hat on.
Okay, what's below is very solid. Oh, but what's up front? Actually, it goes, but it's not a slab. You know, it's not bonding well, but it doesn't have slab properties right here. So probably at the top where there's wind,
Doing
you're
another
gonna have
check.
to be careful.
So lucky. Best day of our lives.
What are we looking at?
Beautiful powdery slopes and pillows and garlic.
Yay! We're gonna make it up to the top of this mountain. And hopefully the snow is still good. We are excited. Can't believe this. March 24th, out here in the Callaghan country, staying at Journeyman Lodge, which is just down there somewhere. And then we'll ski down there later. That's really what it looks like. Out here. Where's the runway, Aga?
What does it mean? Oh, my runway?
Where's like the
Everywhere.
modeling, like the
The
shoot?
catwalk?
Yeah.
Everywhere. I'm ready anytime. Oh yeah?
What do you think, Aga?
This looks so sick.
White room to sunshine. Hey, beautiful. All right, ladies, give me a little update. What's going on?
We're commenting on the purple backpack because it's a pretty cool color.
How long have we been skiing up this mountain for?
Walking,
An hour, right?
maybe an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
It's 12:30.
Did you know that purple is the highest vibrating color?
No.
Just so you know.
What does that mean?
It's your jacket.
It means
Vibration.
that it's the most divine and powerful
It means
color.
like you emit good energy. and attract.
Big V.
Big V energy.
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
It's my destiny.
It's time to heed the call. This ain't the time to hold up the wall. Seize the chance for it, pass you by. It's the last dance, no time for shy. The moment is now, so step in the light. Time don't allow for your pausing right. Copy that DM before it's night. Aim when you see them, the eyes the white. Life is jumping while you in bed. Hearts are pumping that lively red. And the bass is bumping, heard what I said? Ain't no slumping, y'all check your head. I don't know what you came to do. I don't know what you came to do. I don't know what you came to do, but I came to make the world move. So let's go. So let's go. Don't get left behind. It's your time to shine. Beat that fears my mind. Understand what you're assigned, and let's go. Is your life calling you? Take the dare, don't get what's stalling you. You well aware you can't play it smaller. You can't be scared with the beat enthralling you. Why you in bed? Hearts are pumping that lively red. And the bass is bumping, heard what I said? Ain't no slumping, y'all check your head. I don't know what you came to do. I don't know what you came to do. I don't know what you came to do, but I came to make the world move. So let's go. So let's go. Don't get left behind. It's your time to shine. Beat that fears my mind. Understand what you're assigned, and let's go. Live in the now means right now, you know how. Make 'em say wow. Live in the now means right now, you know how. Make 'em say wow. Live in the now means right now, you know how. Make 'em say wow. Live in the now means right now, you know how. Make 'em say wow. Don't get left behind. It's your time to shine.